guys, it's time to tone it. And these were originally supposed to be paper squishies like this one that I did. But now I'm gonna turn them to stickers because I got tired of making paper squishies. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna trace this. I'm gonna trace this. This. Now that we're done with that, now we're going to do a black outline for this. And it's fine if I go out, inside of it, like that, it's fine. That won't really matter because you guys won't even see it, so that's fine. See this side? That's how thick it will be, so going to glue this part so then when I'm taping it, I won't accidentally tape it up here out of how it's supposed to be. You won't have any of those mistakes. You don't want that because then you can't fix it and then you're messed up. Now, where'd the other one go? There it is. Now for the last one. Okay, there you go. I think that's good. Now I'm done gluing it. Alright, now I'm about to tape it. Oh yeah, also let me know if you guys like my heat clickers. You know? Okay, I'm getting off the task. But comment down below if you like my heat clickers. Anywho. Let's move that a bit. I want this. Alright. That's fine. That's fine. I hate that though. It's annoying. Hold on. That little part. Like that. There you go. Time for this one. I don't want this covering over this part. So it's like that. So hold on, let me just trim it. Only a little bit on the ear. That's fine. I don't a lot over here. All right. Key clicker break. All right. Now we're done with the taping. Now we're gonna cut it out. Starting with this one. All I'm going to do is just cut these out with the black outline I've made. Go. Next up is the little strawberry bat. Let's just call it that. I kind of rhymed. I'm not gonna lie. I'm never doing that again. I gotta stop. Hold on. Gotta run this part out. Has a little wrinkle. Alright, there you go. I missed spot to tape. I don't know how, guys. Did I miss anywhere? Any more? Oh no. I can't speak. Did I miss anywhere else? What? Wrinkles I gotta get because it's gonna bother me while I'm cutting. So I get stick them onto this water bottle. This is how it turned out. See how cute it is? Alright, I hope you guys loved the video. Bye, love you!